If you're looking for a great anti-snore mouthpiece, you're absolutely going to love this, especially if you have a partner who complains about your snoring. You're going to want to check this out. This is exactly what it looks like. So it comes in a case, which is really nice, and you can just pop this open just like that. Super easy. And then this is what the actual mouthpiece looks like. The cool part about this is you could adjust it to 5 different settings. So you can see here, it comes apart just like that. And what you could do is, if you want to snap it in at different angles, you could do that. So this would be one of the settings right over here. If you want to go a little bit deeper, you could do that as well and snap it right over there. And then we'll get that one locked in there. And then you just have different levers. So when you put it in your mouth, you're getting the perfect fit. Really, really like this a lot. It has helped a lot. You know, if you're a snorer and your partner is not liking that, definitely get you one of these. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.